At a conference on folk forms, the author of the passage is least likely to agree with which of the following. So what we are going to do is we are going to find out all the answer choices with which the author agrees, and we are going to eliminate them. One says the power of folk resides in its contradictory ability to influence and be influenced. First, let's verify this part. Can folk influence people? Yes. In the second paragraph, he says it has influenced artists, clothing, furniture designers, etc. Can it be influenced by the present? Because the third paragraph says folk songs existed in constant transformation. Constant transformation implies that it can be influenced by the present. So it has a contradictory ability to influence and be influenced while remaining rooted in the past. Now this part comes from second paragraph again. Folk has elements of uncanny eerie as well as elements of antique veneer. It also has a whiff of dark ages, which means it is rooted in the past. So this part is correct. Now because this part is correct, or this is something that author would agree with, we eliminate this answer choice because the question is least likely to agree. Don't forget that. Option 2 says folk forms in their ability to constantly adapt to the changing world. Let's first verify this part. Folk songs existed in constant transformation. So if they are in a state of flux, they can constantly adapt to the changing world. This part is fine, correct. Exhibit an unusual poise and homogeneity. Will the author agree with this statement that folk forms have an unusual poise and homogeneity? In the third paragraph rather, author says there is tension in newness. If there is tension, there definitely is not any poise in these forms. And he also says electrification of these folk forms comes in many forms. If it comes in many forms, there is no homogeneity. Author would not agree with option 2, which makes it the correct answer. It is contrary, opposite to author's beliefs. Option 3 says folk forms, despite their archaic origin, remain intellectually relevant in the present times and contemporary times. Do they have archaic origins? Yes. Antique veneer. Are they intellectually relevant in today's world? Yes, because they are influencing artists even today, clothing, furniture designers, etc. So they are relevant even today. So option 3, author would agree with this. Eliminated. Option 4, the plurality and democratizing impulse of folk forms. Let's first verify these two parts: plurality and democratizing impulse. Paragraph 3 says, one man sings a song and then others sing it after him, changing what they do not like, which means there is a sense of democratic impulse with folk forms, and this emanates from the improvisation. This exactly is improvisation that its practitioners bring to it. Improvisation means spontaneous change. If you don't like something, you change it, you tweak it a bit. That is improvisation, exactly what paragraph 3 talks about. So this is also inferable from the passage. Author would agree with this. Fourth is also eliminated.